Everyone, today we are working on Suzuki Shift. Removing old engine oil, old engine oil, old oil filter, old air filter, removing old cabin AC filter, replacing all filters with Maruti, replace new air filter, replacing new oil filter, replacing new cabin AC filter, removing coolant, removing old coolant, replacing new engine oil fully synthetic, replacing new coolant, checking front brake pads, replacing front brake pads with